Hey guys, it's Mikey with Sawdust and Blinker Fluid. We're back here today to do a little update on I just pulled the test load out of the kiln today. Today is day 8 on the drying process, and I'm pretty satisfied with the way it performed, with the exception of it not getting up to temperature and stuff, which is my fault. So I'm going to address some of the issues with the insulation and do some more caulking. I've actually found a spot on the door that some heat was escaping, so I will address those over the next couple of weeks. I'm probably not going to put nothing back into the kiln during that time, just re-insulating, doing some more to it to make it as efficient as possible is the plan anyways. So let's check out the rest of the stuff. Here's the lumber that came out. Actually, that's half of it. Here's the other half on the little V there. So it's actually really stinking dry. Some of it doesn't even register on my Ryobi moisture meter. It says 0% on some pieces. For the most part, everything else says anywhere from 6 to 8%. So it is dry. It actually looks and feels dry. It's actually, these are actually still warm from coming out. I never did get over 101 degrees was the highest that I got during the drying process. So the next step that I'm going to do, I'm not going to be putting anything back in the kiln for now, and I'm going to address the issues that I found on the test run, which is the importance of the test run. I know I need to add the insulation. I found a spot on the door, I'll show you in a second, where some heat was escaping, and what all else the plan is on fixing. Here's the front door face, and actually you can kind of see right there, it's discolored from here to there. This is actually wet, so there was a decent amount of air coming out right here, and I hadn't even noticed it. I felt all around before, but I didn't notice it. But there is a seal on the inside of the door. It's some of that 3M stuff that you peel off and it sticks. That was 1/2 inch thick along the inside, and apparently it is not sealed. So I'm going to address that. I think I'm going to add some foam along the top. Not really sure what I'm going to use, but I think I'm going to use some of that pipe round foam, and because you can lay it out, screw it down, and it should work fine, just to seal that up. I guess that's all for now. I'm going to address the issues that popped up during the test run so I can get everything functioning like it's supposed to be, because it's worthwhile to do. I'm going to try and add at least somewhere in the neighborhood of maybe like a R20 to the exterior of it. Seal up some more. I'm going to do some caulking around the floor and then insulate the floor. I am going to switch the vents and then get that wired in. Now that once they're switched, that actually the powered vent, the electrics for it's on the outside, so it'd actually be easier. You don't have to go through the wall to hook that up. It can just be run along the perimeter to my electric. So that's pretty much it. The cart actually worked great. These are just some carts that a friend of mine had got from salvage, from a scrap place, and I just paid just a little bit more than scrap for them. These actually are 4-wheel steer. They're kind of neat. It said they could turn really tight corners. I think they was in a brick or block plant or something like that, where they make concrete blocks. So those are gonna be very handy. I've got 2 more carts. It's gonna be quite unnecessary for the length of this one, but I have 2 more because if this one works out good, then I am going to add in the larger kiln down the road. So then I would have more carts for that. It's basically going to do the same design on it, but I'm planning on using a 40-foot container and insulate the inside of it and have a garage door on the back side of the shop to roll them right into, and using the the Nile L200 or the KD150 Woodmizer. Probably go with the Woodmizer. The reason I go with Woodmizer because the customer service is ridiculously good. You pay a couple more $100 because of the orange paint, but that's all right. They're super great. They've always been there when I've called, and I'm very happy with everything. And I know that it's a Nile unit, so I know that the quality is there. So, anyways, thanks for watching the little update here. But I will be adding some more videos soon of how I fix my screw-ups. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. Take care.